Hey my peeps, welcome back to Unit Journey. Welcome to part 3 of the callaloo journey. And today I'm just going to go ahead and cook these callaloo, alright? Alright, let's go ahead and cook this callaloo that I picked from my garden. Alright, so add some vegetable oil. You can add some coconut oil if you choose to also. Let that heat up. I'll check it to see if the oil is hot. One little piece of it. Also, alright, they're going with things. Let's go ahead and add the sweet pepper. Add some orange sweet pepper. Some tomato. We're gonna add the onion. The scallion and the sweet pepper. The green sweet pepper. Some garlic. We're gonna add the thyme, but I like to just do this. Just peel off the leaves, part them, and just drop the stick in there. Alright. Go ahead and just saute it. Just for probably about 3 minutes or so. Don't want them too soft. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and add the callaloo that I cut up and put it in the store in a Ziploc bag. Put it in the fridge. Make sure all of it is out. Yes. Alright. Store them out now. So some of the saute herbs and vegetables come to the top. Come on now. All right. I'm gonna add some salt, some all-purpose seasoning, and some black pepper. You could go ahead and make it a callaloo and sawfish thing. All you have to do is add the saltfish to the sauteed vegetable. I always do that, so that saltness gets into the vegetables, the herbs, so you don't have to add any salt when cooking it. And then you just add your callaloo afterwards, and that will be it. All right, see it? And then we're going to just cover it up, make it go and simmer. Okay, I didn't get to video it, but I did add some carrots. These carrots are from my garden too. So, see? It's steaming. It's producing its own water. So you don't need, again, you don't need to add any water to the pot. It will steam and get its own, give its own water. Another thing that I add to it also is some butter. Okay, I'm gonna add that, then I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up and continue to steam. Okay, let's take a look. The butter has melted now. Right. There you have it. Don't want to cook too soft. Then you're going to cook out all the nutrients, as my mother always say. Alright, gonna taste it and see if you need any more salt. Alright, let's taste. Let's give it a taste. Alright, I'm gonna put some complete seasoning, the Badia brand complete seasoning, in it. Just a little bit. Get a little bit more flavor. See? All the water? See? All the water? Yeah. So you don't need to put any water in there. Alright, we're just gonna let it steam for an additional 5 more minutes. And we're gonna turn it off and call it a done deal. Alright, this is done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the stove, and our meal is done. I'm gonna go ahead and serve some. And remember now to take out, once it cool down, remove these, the thyme stick, okay, from the pot. Alright, cool. And there you have it, the finished product. 3 fried dumpling and some steamed callaloo. That's for breakfast this morning. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, share, comment, and most importantly, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, talk to you later. Bye bye.